Ever wondered what the future of smartphones looks like? Or what you should expect from the latest technology trends? Brace yourself for a journey into the future. A future where technology and innovation intertwine in perfect harmony. Picture a device that blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled aesthetics. Imagine a smartphone that redefines what's possible. That future, my friends, is not a distant dream anymore. It's unfolding right before our eyes. Well, the future is here, and it's embodied in the OnePlus 12 series. The OnePlus 12 series is not just another smartphone, it's a revolution in your pocket. This powerful device is packed with features that redefine the smartphone experience. At its heart lies a robust processor that ensures a smooth, lag-free operation, no matter how heavy the task. The advanced camera system is a photographer's dream. With high-definition lenses and intelligent software, it captures stunning images in any light. And for the cinephiles out there, the high-resolution display offers an immersive viewing experience, bringing your favorite movies and shows to life. But what's power without longevity, right? The OnePlus 12 series comes with a durable battery that lasts all day, so you never have to worry about running out of juice. Together, these features create a seamless, intuitive user experience, making the OnePlus 12 series more than just a smartphone. The OnePlus 12 series is designed to redefine what you expect from a smartphone. But what makes the OnePlus 12 series stand out from the crowd? Well, let's dive into the heart of it. The OnePlus 12 series is a fusion of innovative design and cutting-edge technology. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's packed with features that are designed to make your life easier. It's not just a phone, it's a device that adapts to your lifestyle. The user-friendly interface, for instance, is a breeze to navigate, making it simple for anyone to get the most out of their device. And let's not forget about the impressive technology under the hood. From the powerful processor to the stunning display, every aspect of the OnePlus 12 series has been carefully crafted to deliver a premium smartphone experience. But perhaps the biggest advantage of the OnePlus 12 series is its value for money. You're getting a top-tier smartphone experience at a competitive price. The OnePlus 12 series is more than a smartphone. It's your gateway to a world of unlimited possibilities. So, are you ready to embrace the future with the OnePlus 12 series?